You graduated in 2018. English degree, $192,000. That's what it cost. 4 years learning research, writing, fact-checking, interviewing. 4 years building skills. Your first job paid $45,000 as a content coordinator. It felt like a beginning. By 2021, you specialized in technical writing. 2023, senior strategist, $72,000. You were good at this. Clients who trusted you. 5 years of expertise. You had made it. Late 2022, ChatGPT launched. You noticed, but didn't panic. Early 2023, clients started asking, "Can you use AI to speed things up?" You said sure. Mid-2023, junior writers on your team. Gone. You watched them pack boxes and leave. You told yourself you were different. You did strategy, not just writing. You were safe. October 2025, the email. We are restructuring our content team. Your position eliminated. 1 senior strategist plus ChatGPT plus $20 a month. Your role, gone. Their annual savings, $71,760. You calculated down to the last cent. 3 months searching, 200 applications sent, rejection after rejection after rejection. Entry-level jobs you once did, gone. Your level? Train the AI, build your own replacement. 29 years old, $192,000. AI does it for $20. This isn't just you. Stanford documented it. Automatable tasks, early career employment collapse. Entry-level tech postings dropped 67%. Between 2023 and 2024, just vanished. Signalfire analyzed top firms, 50% decline. Workers under 1 year experience, sales, marketing, engineering, recruiting, operations, design, finance, legal, all of them. Companies restructuring entire departments around what AI does for $20 monthly. Here's how this happened. When you graduated, companies faced a choice. Hire entry-level workers at $45,000, requiring 18 months of training. Or hire experienced workers at $72,000, delivering value from day one. They chose experienced workers. Growth required speed, not patience. You became the rational choice. No training period, no learning curve, just immediate expertise. Companies needed to move fast, and you could deliver. That's why they hired you. You became valuable through expertise AI didn't yet exist to replace. Research skills, writing ability, subject matter knowledge, client relationships. Your $72,000 salary was economically rational. You earned every cent. Then, generative AI reached production quality. ChatGPT Plus costs $240 annually, $20 a month, that's all. It writes technical documentation at 3-year professional quality from day one. No healthcare needed, no training time required. No risk it leaves for a better offer. It doesn't get sick, doesn't need vacation, doesn't negotiate raises. Replacing you saves $71,760 every single year. You became too expensive to keep, not because you weren't good, because AI became too cheap to ignore. The skills you spent $192,000 learning, they're now general capabilities. Writing clear text, conducting research, analyzing documentation, synthesizing information. Everything you studied, every single skill you developed, is exactly what large language models are built to do. Your 4 years of education mapped perfectly onto what AI optimizes for. Perfect overlap, perfect replacement. MIT researchers found 11.7% of US jobs already automatable with existing AI technology. $1.2 trillion in wages. This isn't a small shift. This is systematic displacement on a massive scale. AI targets cognitive skills that require expensive education. Skills that used to command premium salaries. The exact skills universities charge 6 figures to teach. Your degree taught exactly what is now cheapest to automate. The more you paid to learn it, the faster it became worthless. That's the betrayal. You could retrain in prompt engineering, except that job barely exists anymore, already obsolete. Pivot to AI strategy, except 41% of companies already cut management layers, roles disappearing. You could accept AI management roles, train the system for 18 to 24 months, then watch your own position disappear. Temporary survival. Guaranteed elimination. You'd be training your executioner. You could leave the industry entirely, except 52% of college graduates already work jobs that don't require degrees. The premium you paid for your education, it's already gone. You're competing for entry-level positions that pay what you made in 2019. 6 years of career growth erased. You're going backwards while your debt stays exactly the same. Every single exit requires retraining you can't afford or accepting that your investment bought skills the market doesn't value anymore. There's no good option, just different versions of loss. You're 29 years old. You have student debt that'll take decades to pay off, and you have expertise that became obsolete in 18 months. That's where you are. The decision wasn't made when your client eliminated your role in October 2025. It was made when you enrolled in 2014. You paid for skills that would be free by the time you needed to use them. Time betrayed you. $192,000 for skills AI does for $20 a month. That's the pattern. Subscribe to Half Suit Guy for betrayal patterns backed by research.